guys are enjoying your morning, day, or night. I'm Mason, and I'm going to teach you guys how to add and subtract. You guys heard me. Add and subtract. So, yeah, we're going to be doing word problems up and down, side to side. And if you guys really want a challenge, I'll do a challenge problem at the end. And it'll be a times tables. So, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, we're back. So, I think I'm going to start off with an easy, say word problem. I think I'm gonna do an easy word problem so I can get my writing done with. Sorry, I don't have the best handwriting, but I'm gonna make it so you guys can understand it. Hopefully, I'm gonna read it to you guys, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, we have the problem up, so I'm gonna read it to you guys, and I'm gonna help you guys with the answer. Okay? So it says Jane has 38 crowns and gave Justin 22 crowns. How many does Jane have left? Okay, so we're going to first take the numbers. Let's write them down in order. Okay, so we have 38. That's our first number. You always want to write down the first number you have. Now, if it says gave, that means you take away, which means we're going to do minus. So, since we're going to do minus, oh, sorry. I was trying to get the marker out my hand. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back. So, okay, now we're going to do minus since it said gave. Now, so 38 minus 22. Now, for some of you first, second, and third graders, this could be hard. So we're going to do the up and down style. So we're going to go 38 minus, and we're going to do 2. Now this still could be confusing. Now, all you got to do is minus, but you guys are like, wait, what? Do you have to do that? No. So, we're going to start off in the back for minus, okay? So, 8 minus 2. If you count down, you go 8, and then 7, 6. So, your answer is 6. Then you want to go to 3 and 2. 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1. So, your answer is 1. Now, that you have this answer right here, that's your answer for 38 minus 22, and it's 16. Now, we're going to look it up on Siri, and we're going to tell you what the answer is. And it's going to show that the answer is 16. Let's show you guys. Okay, guys, we're back. We're going to do the up and down style like we just did for the subtraction problem. So, let's do 1,896 plus 5,698. Let's do that. So, now we're going to put a line under the plus, 4 numbers. Now, since it's plus, all you got to do is add. So, we're going to do 8 plus 6, and that, you're going to take 2 away from the 6. You're going to have 4 from the 6. You're going to make that a 10. It's going to be 14. You want to put a 4 down here. Once you put a 4 down there, since it's 14, you want to put a 1 up here. Okay? 9 plus 1, that's easy. That's 10. 10 plus 9 equals 19. We're going to put a 9 down here. And we're going to put a 1 up there. Now we're going to do 8 plus 6 again. That's 14, but 15, because we just added a 1. So 5, and then 1. 5, 6, 7. Then you put down 7. 7,594 is your answer. So 7, 5, 9, 4. That's your answer right there. Easy. Now, let's calculate the answer and let's prove our work. Wait, but first, we gotta show our work. You always gotta make sure you check and show your work. So, we showed our work right here. So, 6 plus 8, 14, put a 1 up there. 10, 9, 19, put a 1 up there. 8 plus 6 is 14, and then put a 1 up there, it's 15. Put a 5 down there, and then a 1 up there. And we do 5, 6, 7. 7's our answer. 7,594. Now that's your answer. That's usually not a fifth grade, sorry. I'm getting mixed up with my words today, guys. I'm usually teaching 5th grade and 6th graders. So we're gonna check our answer and we're gonna make sure it's right. In 3, 2, 1. Now I'm sorry we did only one subtraction and one subtraction and one adding, but now we're gonna go into the challenge problems for people that like challenges. So let's do let's think. Okay, we're gonna do times tables and negative numbers. So let's go do this. Okay guys, we're back. We have 6 times 6 in this format and 6 times 6 in this format. So I don't want to do this way because it's harder for me. We're going to do this way right here. Okay, so we have 6 times 6. Let's take our eraser and let's erase this away so you have more space on the board. That's our main focus, 6 times 6. Now when you're thinking 6 times 6, you're like, oh no, what do we do? Now, all you're doing is say you get beat for any number. Just be like, count that number however many times it says. So if it's 12 times 13, you want to count 12 13 times. In this situation, it's 6 times 6. So you count 6 times, okay? So 6 plus 6, that's easy. That's 12. So that's 2. We got 2 right here. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. So we got 2 right here, 12. Now if we want to times 12 by 2, means we're going to do 12 times 2. We're going to times 12 and count that 2 times. So that's going to be 24. So now we have 4.
She has a meeting coming up, and then you can talk to
4.
her.
Okay? So now we had 4. And we're going to add another 2. Okay? 24 times 2. That's easy. 24 2 times, which is 48. So 48.
She can talk to you now if you want to talk about it now.
Now 6. Okay, 6. We've accomplished that, and our answer is 48 for 6 times 6. That's easy. That's our answer for this. Now it looks hard, but once you think about it, it actually gets way easier. So yeah, I can do another format in this way. So but yeah, I think we're gonna do actually 3 challenge problems. We're gonna do like always to like the powers or whatever. So like 10 to the second power, whatever. So we're gonna do that, and then we're probably gonna do negative numbers. So let's do the negative numbers, and then we'll do the 10 to the second power. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, we wrote this down super quick. So we got 10 times 10 to the second power. So I know the answer, it's 1,000. But we're gonna prove our work. You see, the teachers usually write this: show your work. Sorry I write so bad. Show your work. You gotta always show your work to get extra credit. If you don't care about extra credit, then you just don't care about grades. But still, a lot of teachers in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade don't do grades. So, but still, we're gonna do 10 times 10 to the second power. So, 10 times 10, that is 100. But there's 2. That means it's 10 times 10 times 10. So, you're kind of just going to do another 10 times 10 if there's 2 tens. So 10, the 2 right here means there's 2 tens. If there's 4, that means there's 4 tens, okay? So we're going to do 10 times 10 again, which is 100. Now you're like, okay, what do you do with 100 and 100? Do you add? Like, what do you do? Nope, we don't add. We don't add. We times, okay? Now we're going to do 100 times. It's super easy. It's 1,000. So 1,000 will be our answer. So calculate it right now. We'll calculate it for you guys just to prove that 1,000 will be our answer, because I just looked it up and I know the answer, and I already knew the answer, just making sure though. But yay, you completed. Mr. exclamation point happy face is happy. Looks creepy, but he's happy. Okay, now let's calculate the answer, and if this is right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for all my other videos. I hope you guys use this on paper, and I hope this helped you guys. But if you did,